Hi everyone, my name is Alina and this is my sixth course here at University of New England Applied Nutrition Program. So a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in Israel and I moved to Los Angeles when I was in my 20s. I've been living here for many years. I am married and I have three children, as you can see. Um, I have a bachelor's degree in nutrition science from Purdue University, and I currently do individual counseling, nutrition counseling. I started to be interested in nutrition in my early 30s when I had kids one after another and I wanted to lose the weight. I really like creating healthy meals for my clients and putting it on my website. So this is one example of a salad that I made. It's made out of pomegranate seeds, beets, oranges, and lots of greens. It's very tasty and very healthy as well. Another sample of what I made. This is branzina, and it's actually baked with dill and lots of garlic and vegetables on the side. On my free time, I like to work out in the gym during the week, and I like to be outside in the weekend when I can. Um, I also like to travel, see new places, explore new foods. So this is me picking up strawberries. You can see this in in my bag. Um, and This is in Oxnard, California. Um, this is me visiting Israel. This is Tel Aviv. This is the marina. I was just there recently eating a healthy lunch. And this is Juno Beach, Florida, which is supposed to have the bluest water. So you get to decide. And um, and that's it. So thank you for watching and good luck to everyone in this class.